Assalam O Alikum, all viewers and dear students. Once again, Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we are proceeding on the next MCQs. Find the equation of the circle with radius with center is at origin and radius is 3 under root units. What is the equation of the circle? As we know that the comparing of the standard form of the circles, so general or standard form of the equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here is given that of the circle is the center is at origin, h means that h and k is the center, so that will be is in origin and 0 0. So we substitute this values in this equation. We get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, and r is the radius is given, r is the radius, and that is 3 under root whole square. So this will be cancelled. X square plus y square is equal to 3, and here option D is the correct option. Question number 145. Find the equation of the circle with center at 2 and 5 and radius 5 units. What is the equation of the circle? As we know that, just like question number 144, as we know that the equation of the circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h and k are the center of the circle, and here center is given that c and h, that is the value of h and that is the value of k. So h is equal to 2, and k is equal to 5. And radius is given that radius is equal to 5. We substitute the result x minus h is equal to 2 wholes x minus 2 whole square plus y minus k minus 5 whole square is equal to r, and r is here and 5 square. If we expand according to the formula a minus b whole square, we open that one. So according to the formula, a square plus b square minus 4ab minus 2ab, and similarly y square plus 25 minus 10y is equal to 25. If we change this result here, so this will be cancelled. X square we arrange x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 4 plus 25 and minus 25 is equal to 0. Both are cancelled. So we get the equation here. Option C is here the correct option. 46. Find the center of the circle with the equation is given. General form of the circle is given. If we compare with this general form of the equation, as we know that the general form of the equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of circles. So we are required center, and here center is minus g and minus f. This is the value of the equation of the circle of the general form. So we compare the given equation, 2g is equal to here minus 4, and we divide both sides by 2. So minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2. And similarly here 2f is equal to, the value is here minus 10, and dividing both sides by 2, f is equal to minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5. So if we substitute the values of here center minus g, and here is already minus 2 and here is already minus 5. So this will affect the center plus 2 and plus 5. So option D is here the correct option. Of the circles with equation x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 4. So what is the radius of the circle? First of all, we compare with the general form of equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus cs equal to 0. If we compare, look here, x square and x square both are same and y square are same. 2g, the value of 2g is equal to minus 4. 2g is equal to minus 4. If we divide both sides by 2, so we get here minus 2. Similarly, 2f, the value of is equal to minus 10. 2f is equal to minus 10. If we divide both sides by 2, so we get here minus 5. And c value is equal to 4. Now radius is required, as we know that this general form of the equation radius is equal to g square plus f square minus c, and here g square is equal to minus 2 whole square plus minus f value is f is equal to minus 5 and minus c value is equal to 4. If we check this result, 4 plus 25 minus 4 under root both are cancelled, so under root 25, so 5 square under root both are cancelled is equal to 5. Option D is the correct option. 5 units is